Yo guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you some cinematic shots that you can take really easy using the Fimo app. Stay tuned. Yo guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Patrick Levar. I'm a mobile filmmaker and photographer. And if you have a cell phone and you like taking photos, consider hitting that subscribe button, because most of you don't hit that subscribe button. But anyways, most of you do know what I do here. We get down with filmmaking with cell phones, small mirrorless cameras, GoPros, action cams, whatever you got that you can film with, this is the channel for you. So consider hitting that subscribe button. All right guys, so the last couple of videos I've been posting, I've been using the Fimo app. I've been getting a lot of good response from you guys. A lot of you guys like the video using this app, so I'm going to continue to do it. I went down to the city to go to the zoo with the family, and since Corona's been going around, I haven't been on the train a lot. I've been avoiding trains, so I was quite excited to get back on the train again, just to go down to the zoo. And the whole way again, I'm just snapping shots, in the subway, just getting out, street filming, street photography style, just something interesting, grab the shot. But with the Fimo app, it just really makes it look like it's a shot from a movie, with the way it does, the way it basically grades the photo, and it's super easy, one shot and you're done. And that's one thing I like about it, is just to really have fun on practicing my composition, practicing my framing, not really having to worry about color grading and all that other stuff like that. So if that's something that you're really into, you might want to download this app. Again, like I said, it's just, there are a couple presets inside of it that it starts you off with some simulated film looks, but the two that I particularly use a lot that I enjoy is the Kodo V3500, which is basically simulating a Kodak's film stock for they use in motion pictures, and another one was a Tokyo 500, again is another like a Fuji simulated film stock. Those are the two that I like because it also knocks into the aspect ratio 235:1, which is what I'm using right now, and I really like that. It makes the black bars native inside of there, so it's super fantastic. Let's take a look at some of the shots. Guys, so those results are fantastic, and it's super easy to achieve this look. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, take a look at these, where I'm also using the same app. I'm using that night with an ND filter, with the Pro Mist filter. I'm using them in the rain, so you might enjoy some of these other videos. Also, let me know down in the comments what other film stocks from the Fimo app that you guys like, or you might want me to shoot, and I'll basically cook up one of those videos for you. So if you haven't already joined that email crew list, links down below. Get down on that so you can get some exclusive videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Keep shooting. It's the only way you'll get better. Peace.